Hi everyone! I finally put the finishing touches onto my 2023 passion planner. So this is all completed and I'm really excited to flip with you the second half of the year. And I already flipped through the first half. I'll link it up there. And yeah, and like I did with the other flip throughs, I'll do like a chatty version in the front, letting you know where I got stickers. And then I'll do one at the end, just a flip through. You don't have to listen to me talk. Okay, let's get into it. So this is the small size passion planner. I just got black. I couldn't decide on a cover and I like the black. I also, very simple, just the Madame Leota sticker from No White Space Stickers. In my cover, I kind of just collect stickers throughout the year and put them on here. And a lot of these are just random, but some of them are from See Me Draw and some of them are from like this one. I think this one. This one's from Honeybee Shop. This is from Creativity and Ink. And this is No White Space Stickers, matches the washi and this washi. Yeah, so there's just a combination of everything. And I already flipped through here, so let's start with July. Oh, actually, just to let you guys know, I did not fill out this like mid-year review roadmap, so I'll probably just tape it together or just leave it blank. But here's the month. I don't do too much decorating. It's really just like if I have any trips, if you have any days off, maybe birthdays and books that I read. But other than that, I don't use this too much for anything else. I track my bills in my work, or sorry, in a different like calendar planner that I had for last year. And these are No White Space sticker washi and Creativity and Ink stickers. So this was very simple. I went to Amersfoort this week for a work trip, which is a really cute little town. If you guys have never been there, I definitely recommend it. And then I spent the weekend in Amsterdam. So I just had this washi, which my friend gave me, and then I had some pictures printed out. This is a Spirit Daughter quote. I like to print her quotes out and put them in here. She always has really beautiful illustrations with it too. I can't remember where I got this from. This is See Me Draw. This spread is really cute. It's all from See Me Draw, her like Shark Week collection. This page, I have no idea what was going on. I was clearly not in a great place, but these are all from the Passion Planner sticker book. Yeah, I mean, the sticker's cute. I really like this one. I need my space. This was cute. It was new washi I got from Little Magic Prints. I love the checkerboard, very ska, and then this pink one up here, and then the stickers themselves are from that same Passion Planner sticker book. And in my like monthly reflection part, I just do what I would do a currently page basically, and I only do it on one side. I don't always cover it up, but this time I had this cute card from See Me Draw. August was really busy. You could see lots of weeks mapped out. This is a really old Happy Planner sticker, and this quote I got off Instagram. I really love it. For pay attention to how people react when you share good news. This was fun and simple. This is from the big Mickey and Minnie seasonal sticker book from Happy Planner, and just No White Space washi, and these are just like, or sorry, these are just leftover from No White Space kits. This one I actually really like too. This one is from the Recollections sticker book. It's also really old. But yeah, and this is the same like set as the pink and black checkerboard from Little Magic Prints. This is from the Honeybee Shop. This washi, it has like little fruits and, or like, not fruits, little foods on them. And I think it's from Taiwan. My cousin gave it to me, or my mom, so I don't know exactly where to credit that for them. This is really cute too. This is See Me Draw's like May the 4th collection with little bears. I'm not a huge Star Wars person, but my friend is, and we went to Disneyland when she came to visit, so it seemed fitting. Yep, and then this is what I was talking about the currently. So this is from Low Magic Prints, and this is from Less Than Misfit. I don't know if her shop is still around. Just a random sticker my friend gave me, Little Magic Prints, and here I was gone for half the month for work. Oh, this one came out really cute. This is Shine Sticker Studio, and this Star and Moon washi is from No White Space Stickers. This is really cute. No White Space Stickers. And this was that same Recollections book that I talked about earlier. Okay, now we get into fall. So this and the pumpkins are from the Fall Seasonal Happy Planner sticker book. This was a really, really nice illustration that I saw on Disneyland's Instagram, so I just printed it. It's of California Adventure, which is my favorite park. Currently, very simple. October, my favorite month. So this washi is from No White Space Stickers, so it's a sticker. This little one is from Creativity and Ink, and so are these little like castle stickers. Oh, this one's really cute. So this washi is from Honeybee Shop. It's so cute. It's got spider webs on it and like her bat bows. And the stickers glow in the dark. They're just from Target. This page got a little crazy. These are like leftover kits I had, washi. These are all from No White Space Stickers, but yeah, went a little crazy here. This is the ghosts are from Happy Planner Seasonal, and this is Honeybee Shop, the washi. This one is all No White Space Stickers, little pastel Halloween moment. This one's super cute. This one's from See Amy Draw. And then for my currently page, I took this funny picture of my cat, so I just stuck that in here. This monthly spread I actually like. These, I joined See Amy Draw's IRL Dudes Patreon, so I get a little package from her every month, and this is her fall one, really cute. I went to my first planner conference, went to Walt Disney World, so this was I adopted our kitten. So it's fun to look back on these books. I have a memory planner also. I'm not done with that one, but I'll flip through it in a little bit once I finish it. These stickers I've been hoarding forever, so it was only fitting I used them for the SGS Planner Conference. These were from the Happy Planner, like Happy Illustrations book. Very, very old. Oh, this is really pretty. This is not usually my style, but I got these in my, I think these were like part of the table gifts. This is Dek Designs. I think I'm saying that right. The washi and the stickers. This one, I also was hoarding forever. Shine Sticker Studios. That came out really cute. This is washi from See Amy Draw, and then these were from the Fall Seasonal Happy Planner book. All right, December. So these are from Less Than Misfit. I have no idea where that's from. This one is cute. This was a freebie that I got from SGS, and I feel really bad I don't know who the artist is. The washi is from Little Magic Prints. This washi I got from the SGS Planner Conference. I think it is Simply Gilded, but I'm not 100% sure. And then these stickers I bought there. This is Maria Italian Designs. They're really cute, little corgis and other animals in these little like succulent jars. This was leading up to Christmas. So this is just that big seasonal Mickey and Minnie book from Happy Planner. Okay, this is cute. These are leftover stickers I had from last year from Little Magic Prints. Let's say Mickey and Minnie, and then the Honeybee Shop washi. Okay, and then now I'll go to the back pages. Oh yeah, and similar to the mid-year review, I did not do the end-of-year reflection, but I did do like Mel Robbins' little year in review. If you guys listened to our podcast, it was pretty good. Okay, so in the back pages, I like to track what I read. I actually realized that I forgot a book, but I'll print it smaller and put it here. And I don't have a printer right now, so I got these printed at FedEx, and the quality is really good. But anyways, these are from that Happy Planner Fall Seasonal, and then this is See Amy Draw. And I tried to do like a book challenge, this little Monopoly thing. You can see how terrible my old printer printed. And I only kept track of it for a little bit. I don't read enough to do these challenges, I guess, unfortunately. And then this was just like a list of places I wanted to go. Just track my socials, some YouTube ideas. This, I'm a big Marvel fan, so track some of the MCU, or not some of, all of the MCU ones I watched. And I only put the ones that are like new to me, like I haven't watched yet. So I am a little behind, like these two are old. I have to say though, my first half of the year, I didn't really love any of these except for Moon Girl. That was really, really cute. These were just okay. But then the second part was really good, especially like Loki season 2 and What If season 2. I like to keep track of my nails. I love doing my nail art. So this is just like a nice year-end reflection. This was a tracker for what to wear in Amsterdam, which I didn't fill out. One blank page, swatching some washi. This postcard is from Creativity and Ink. And I do keep like passwords in here, so I'm not going to show that. I started doing this last year and I really like it. So just tracking like manifestations, whether they're big or small, it's just kind of nice to, you know, keep track of it and go back and see like what you accomplished during the year. I'm sorry, my kitten is chewing on things. The back pages are just notes. They're all just like grid paper. And yeah, these are all just little notes, ideas, places I want to go. Yeah. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed watching me flip through my second half 2020 year passion planner. And oh, hi Midnight. And I am still working on my memory planner, but once I have that, like I said, I will do a flip through. And until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye.